The world once existed as rumor. Sailors crossed seas guided by stars and stories. Merchants followed roads that bent with memory. And beyond the horizon, everything blurred into fear, myth, and guesswork. No one truly knew where they were, only that they were somewhere. Then, in a sunlit city beside the Mediterranean, someone dared to pin the earth down. In the 2nd century, Alexandria hummed with knowledge, salt air, parchment dust, voices arguing geometry and gods. Inside this world of scrolls and shadows worked Claudius Ptolemy, a man obsessed not with places but with position. He asked a dangerous question. What if every point on Earth could be measured? At first, it sounds simple. Lines on a page, numbers in columns. But nothing about this was simple. Maps before Ptolemy were paintings of belief. Cities drawn larger if they mattered, oceans stretched or shrunk by fear. Distance was felt, not calculated. To redraw the world, Ptolemy needed something radical, an invisible grid wrapped around the planet itself. Latitude, longitude, lines no one could see, but everyone could follow. Latitude measured how far north or south you stood, guided by the sun's height and the stars at night. Longitude, far trickier, measured east and west, forcing cartographers to wrestle with time itself. Together, these coordinates turned Earth into a system, not a story. And suddenly, places stopped drifting. Rome had a number. India had a number. Even the edge of the known world could be pinned, argued over, corrected. Ptolemy's maps, written in Alexandria, didn't just show land, they invited revision. They could be wrong, and then made right. That was the revolution. Because once you accept coordinates, you accept something else. That truth can be refined. Centuries later, explorers would sail with Ptolemy's ghost at their side. Some would misuse his errors. Others would correct them. But all of them trusted the idea he unleashed, that the world obeyed rules you could measure, test, and redraw. Maps stopped being symbols of power and became tools of discovery. And here's the quiet twist. Longitude and latitude didn't just change mapmaking. They changed how humans thought. The Earth became something shared, measurable, and knowable. Borders could be debated, journeys could be planned, reality could be checked. From a scholar's desk in Alexandria, invisible lines reshaped civilization. If this story shifted how you see the world, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what invention do you think quietly changed humanity the most?